In this first tense Ring doorbell recording, a man driving a white car parks outside a home and approaches the front door with clear intentions to steal. Just as he begins his act, the homeowner confronts him, sending him fleeing back to his car in a hurry. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a white truck completes a delivery but accidentally collides with a parked car on the side of the road. Realizing the damage, the driver steps out to inspect the situation, seemingly contemplating his next move. In this intense Ring doorbell recording, two neighbors engage in a heated argument over a package. The situation escalates when one neighbor accuses the other of throwing rocks at his door and vandalizing his car.
I'm checking my mail, dude.
Fine, man.
Get it inside there.
I'll get it when I get ready.
I'll check my mail if I want to.
I don't care, man. I don't care what you record. You sissy? You a sissy. Hide behind their damn camera. Oh, you punk. You can't whoop me. Come on. And when I catch your ass out on that street, you're mine. Woo! Damn, that's good. No more either. I'm gonna make my stand, buddy. You and your huffing glue.
There he goes, all my crazy neighbors rock me when I'm at work. There he goes.
Oh, hush up. Stop behind your back. Come on out here like a man. Come on out here. You know what? Sean whooped my other son. If he ever gets a hold of you, you're... Get back.
Eventually, the cop showed up to sort the issues out.
So, do you know anything about that? Do you know anything about that?
So when I got off work tonight, I came from market, I walked through this way, I come up here, I dropped my e-cigarette, picked it up, walked up the steps, came in here. And actually before I moved in, he was beating on his window, yelling some crazy shit. I turned, I shook my head and walked inside.
That's all you know? You don't know anything about rock?
No, he's tried to say this like 4 or 5 times now in the past month and a half.
So you didn't throw a rock?
No, sir. He's been trying to do this for the longest time. He keeps antagonizing my dad, he keeps antagonizing my pops. He keeps trying to harass me whenever he sees me. He's supposed to be evicted. I'm just waiting for him to move. I just don't want, like, to put up a privacy curtain so he could stop stalking us with his Ring camera. Like, even now he's sitting here recording us.
Here's the deal, Sean. The video shows a rock hit the window right here in the frame. So no more BSing. Just through it. It's not damaged. Just be straight with us, okay? You're lying, whatever. But the video shows a rock hit the window here. So, I'm not lying. Just tell us what happened. There's no damage. No one's going to tickets today. We're just going to document what happened. We'd like you to apply.
I didn't throw a rock. Jesus Christ.
You sure?
100% sure.
You're the only one in the video frame recovering from the entire rock smacks the window. So. pretty unlikely.
I mean, he has, what, 4 or 5 cameras around that way? I'm pretty sure he would see me if I threw him from
It does. So that's
Like-
what I'm asking you to stop the yes and just be straight.
Like, it physically shows me going like that.
It shows you in frame and then the rock hit the window. And you're the only one in the picture.
I literally didn't throw a rock.
This is the rock. You're out here. It shows you walking around. Clearly, there's someone that threw a rock. You're the only one out here. Did you see someone throwing a rock in the area? Is there anybody else around as you're walking around the corner back home?
I wasn't really paying attention.
So that's the problem. The rock hit somewhere down below the sky. You're the only one there.
Well,
Rock hits the window.
unless it's the roof, because we have been having issues with the sand and ground falling out and leaking through 3 apartments.
So it's not coming from the roof. It came like straight on. So
No,
Was it a rock that you threw or was it something else?
no, I didn't throw anything.
Oh, what's your name?
What he's doing, just tell him to take it and move. And I'm gonna report it to the rent people too out here today. That he's out here going through my stuff again. That's exactly right. Yeah.
That's not
No, it's nothing as this would have been stopped a long time ago. I lived in North Carolina most of my life. I've never seen anything like this. And then when he threatened me and grabbed me by the throat over it.
Viewers, we hope you have been enjoying this video. We produce videos like this on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing to our channel and dropping a comment down below for more eye-opening content. In this eerie late-night Ring doorbell surveillance, a bike thief parks outside a home on October 29, 2024, at around 2:30 a.m. He cautiously makes his way to the garage, searching for something to steal. After wandering around for a while, he realizes there's nothing easy to take and eventually leaves empty-handed. In this revealing Ring doorbell footage, a man approaches a home and begins tampering with the mailbox, appearing to take something. Before he can leave, the homeowner's neighbor confronts him, questioning his actions.
Hey. Hey.
Hey, how you doing? Hey,
Put
how
that
you
mail
doing?
down, man. Put that mail down.
I actually came to see if I can speak with someone. Because I was supposed to leave. I had enough some mail over here.
No, you can't do that. That's against the law, man. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but you can't be going through people's mail like that. I'm calling the police. So I'd suggest you get on out of here.
The man insists that his mail was mistakenly sent to the address, but his suspicious behavior raises doubts about his true intentions.
Why are you looking at?
Hello?
You better get on.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell recording, a man is caught sneaking around a homeowner's property in broad daylight. He moves cautiously, heading straight for the backyard in an attempt to gain access. When his efforts fail, he quickly retreats, leaving as quietly as he arrived. In this unsettling Ring doorbell recording, this lady mysteriously arrives at a homeowner's doorstep, carrying a bundle of children's clothes. Without saying a word, she carefully places them down and walks away. No one knows why she left them there or what her intentions were. In this unsettling footage, a man is seen lingering around a homeowner's property, appearing to scope out the area. His true intentions remain unclear as he cautiously moves around, seemingly searching for a way inside. In this eerie nighttime footage, a man wrapped in a blanket approaches a homeowner's door, lingering there for a while. His intentions are unclear, but after some time, the homeowner notices and firmly tells him to leave, prompting him to walk away into the darkness.
Hey, yo, go away. Keep going. Out of here.
In this unsettling footage, a man approaches a homeowner's door and makes an unusual and difficult request.
But if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hello? Who is it? Are you doing a massage?
What?
Are you doing a massage?
Shut up.
I didn't say shut up. Ma'am,
Yeah.
are you offering a massage?
What?
Are you offering a massage?
No.
No? Okay, I'm sorry.
His behavior raises suspicion, leaving the homeowner unsure of his true intentions before he eventually walks away.
Hello? Hello? If you say no, just say no.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.